What's good? So I'm going to be doing a little comparison video on the Airis Turboo and the Airis Mystica 2. So first we got the Turboo. You can tell that it is roughly double the height of the Mystica. The Turboo is pretty cool because the cartridge is hidden into the side of it, and then when you press this button right here, it'll flick out, and then you could use it like that. That's my favorite part about this. It looks like it's your car keys, but really it's your vape. The nice thing about this is it is so tiny and discreet, like it fits in the palm of your hand. They both have the same wattage. It says that they're both 3.4, 3.7, and 4.2 for the voltage. I don't know why I said wattage. I was trying to say voltage, but yeah, this thing is tiny. It's durable. It's made out of metal. This is pretty durable too, even though it's made of like some type of hard plastic, and I'm not exactly sure what the shiny metal on the side is, but yeah, the one thing that I guess is good and bad about the Mystica is you have to use these little like magnetic adapters right here. You have to screw them onto the cartridge so that you can use it, which, I mean, it's not a big deal, but if you lose the magnet, then you're screwed. So I got a smart cart. I did a review on this exact smart cart earlier on in the week, but I'm using the smart cart organic. I got the New York City sours, but it just slides right in there, and yeah, I'll hit it. You gotta click it 5 times to turn it on. There we go. I hit it 4 times, but there we go. Yeah, that thing rips. I don't know. I messed that up. I clicked it the wrong amount of times. It was working perfectly fine. But wow, yeah, that one really hits like crazy. I'm gonna screw one into the Turboo real quick. You see, the Turboo doesn't need a magnetic adapter. You just screw the cartridge right in to the metal piece on it. So you can see on the Turboo that it goes right back in. It'll stay there, and then when you're ready, just like that. This one's my favorite. This is the one I carry around. But yeah, this flavor is crazy too. I got it on the highest heat setting right now just because, I don't know. I really don't know why, but it tastes better if you do it on a lower heat setting. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what you would be getting if you were to choose to get one of these vapes. I highly recommend both of them, especially over other brands. Airis really makes quality products, so yeah, I would check out the rest of my YouTube channel. I got a bunch of unboxing videos. I got a bunch of different vape pen videos. So if you're shopping around and are looking for good products, I got a bunch of different videos on them. So yeah, check me out. Smack that like button for this video. I appreciate it. Later.